The Fisheries Department, with the support of the Division of Animal and Fisheries Sciences, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, Research Complex of North-Eastern Hill Region UMIAM, had distributed fish seeds or hatchlings to fish farmers at the Directorate of Fisheries in Shillong. The Joint Secretary of Fisheries Department, I. MAWLONG, had graced the function as chief guest, and those present included the Director of Fisheries Department, A. L. MAWLONG, Principal Scientist, ICAR Research Complex of Northeastern Hill Region, Dr. S. K. SAIKIA, Superintendent of Fisheries, East KHASI Hills, H. PAPANG, besides others. It was informed that the tribal subplant of the ICAR had distributed fish seeds to farmers, free of cost, so as to enable recovery of loss and also improve their livelihood during the pandemic. Recipients of fish hatchlings include farmers from the entire KHASI, JAINITA and BHOI districts of Meghalaya.
The fish seed is one of the most critical inputs for aquaculture. We may have different kind of programs even under aquaculture mission since 2012, I think 2013, 2014. There are so many programs are being implemented by the Department of Fisheries. There are also other centrally sponsored schemes where the Government of India has given a lot of trust on propagating the aquaculture or promoting the aquaculture in the state of Meghalaya. But all these programs could be implemented only when there is a critical input called quality fish seeds. Our institute at UMIAM Barapani ICAR has been working on it for a very long time, and as and when we find a good opportunity, so we always try to distribute at least these critical inputs to the poor and the disadvantaged farmers, because those farmers who are very rich, they can go and get the seeds from other states, neighboring states like Assam and West Bengal, because last past 2 years the seed vendors have not been able to enter Meghalaya due to the COVID protocol. Otherwise, seeds used to be made available to the farmers through different vendors, who used to have some kind of a linkage or some contacts with the local farmers in Meghalaya.